Welcome back to the channel. If you want to take control of your finances, saving is just the first step. Multiplying your money is where the real magic happens. In this video, I'll share smart strategies to not only save effectively, but also grow your wealth through smart investments and passive income. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip on maximizing your financial potential. 5. Effective budgeting strategies to save more money. Creating a solid budget is the foundation of financial success. The first step in budgeting is understanding your income and expenses. Start by tracking all sources of income, including your salary, side gigs, and passive income streams. Once you have a clear picture of your earnings, list your monthly expenses, categorizing them into fixed costs, such as rent, utilities, and insurance, and variable costs, such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. This helps identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards savings. A key budgeting strategy is the 50-30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. If you want to accelerate your savings, consider adjusting the percentages to allocate more towards savings and investments. Additionally, setting up automatic transfers to a savings account ensures consistency and prevents overspending. To maximize savings, reduce unnecessary expenses. Look for cost-cutting opportunities, such as meal prepping instead of dining out, canceling unused subscriptions, and shopping with discounts and cashback offers. Using budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard can help track spending habits and provide insights on where to save more effectively. 4. Best investment options for long-term wealth. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow wealth over time. Long-term investments provide stability and higher returns compared to short-term savings. One of the best options for wealth building is investing in the stock market. Individual stocks, index funds, and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, offer potential for significant returns. Index funds and ETFs are ideal for beginners as they provide diversification and lower risk compared to individual stocks. Bonds are another great investment for long-term stability. Government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds provide a fixed income over time, with lower risk than stocks. They are ideal for conservative investors who prioritize safety over high returns. Real estate investing is another effective way to grow wealth. Buying rental properties can provide steady income, and property values tend to appreciate over time. If managing properties isn't feasible, investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, offers a passive way to gain exposure to the real estate market. Another long-term wealth-building option is retirement accounts such as 401(k) IRAs and Roth IRAs. Contributing consistently to these tax-advantaged accounts allows your money to grow through compound interest, providing a secure financial future. 3. Side hustles and passive income ideas. Earning extra income through side hustles and passive income sources is a great way to boost savings and investments. Freelancing is one of the most accessible side hustles. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow individuals to monetize their skills in writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Starting an online business is another lucrative side hustle. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy enable entrepreneurs to sell handmade goods, print-on-demand merchandise, or digital products. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing are also excellent ways to generate online revenue without managing inventory. Passive income streams help earn money with minimal active effort. Investing in dividend-paying stocks provides regular income as companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Another passive income idea is creating digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or printables that can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Real estate rentals, peer-to-peer lending, and investing in income-generating assets like REITs also provide long-term passive income. The key is to diversify side hustles and passive income streams to ensure a steady flow of earnings. 2. How to avoid debt and improve financial health. Avoiding debt and maintaining financial health requires careful money management. The first step is to minimize high-interest debt, such as credit card balances and personal loans. Prioritize paying off these debts using the debt snowball method, paying off smaller debts first, or the debt avalanche method, paying off high-interest debts first. To prevent accumulating unnecessary debt, develop disciplined spending habits. Avoid impulse purchases by implementing a 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. Using cash instead of credit cards for discretionary spending can also help limit overspending. Building a strong credit score is crucial for financial health. Pay bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and avoid opening unnecessary credit accounts. A higher credit score provides better access to loans with lower interest rates, ultimately saving money in the long run. Another strategy is negotiating lower interest rates on existing debts. Contacting lenders and requesting a rate reduction or refinancing loans can lead to significant savings over time. 1. Smart saving hacks. How to multiply your money efficiently. Smart saving techniques help maximize financial growth while minimizing unnecessary expenses. One effective method is using high-yield savings accounts that offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. Online banks often provide better rates with lower fees, making them an excellent option for growing savings. Another powerful saving strategy is automating savings. Setting up automatic transfers from a checking account to a savings or investment account ensures consistency and eliminates the temptation to spend before saving. Taking advantage of compound interest is key to multiplying money efficiently. Investing in long-term assets, reinvesting dividends, and contributing regularly to retirement accounts allows wealth to grow exponentially over time. Cutting costs on everyday expenses also frees up more money for savings and investments. Using cashback credit cards, loyalty programs, and discount apps can help reduce costs on groceries, travel, and entertainment. Finally, reviewing and adjusting financial goals regularly ensures that money-saving strategies remain effective. Tracking progress, making necessary budget adjustments, and reinvesting savings into profitable ventures help sustain long-term financial growth. By implementing these strategies, anyone can take control of their finances, save more efficiently, and build long-term wealth for a secure future. And that's how you can save and multiply your money for a secure future. Which strategy are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.